Old El Paso Birria tacos. I made this video about a year ago using flank steak instead of chuck roast, and I figured I really wanted Birria tacos. I figured I'd go back to the old El Paso, so that makes it simple and easy. But this time, I have a chuck roast that's marinating. So I have my crock pot and I have it set on high, and I'm gonna put this in my crock pot, okay? And we're gonna cook it on down, and this is gonna make it simple and easy birria. On the back is your ingredients of everything that you need to do. So you will need 2 to 2.5 pounds of a boneless beef chuck. Trim the fat, cut into 5 pieces. I'm just gonna put this in my crock pot, let it cook down, and then break it apart later. Make it simple. My crock pot set to high, so 4 hours. A cup and a half of water, and then the seasonings. You also will need an 8-ounce bag of shredded cheese, a small onion, and cilantro chopped finely. That doesn't come with this. It does come with tacos, the tacos, and then it comes with your seasoning, and then it also comes with your chipotle sauce. So I'm gonna put my chipotle sauce and water and everything, mix it together, and then pour over this. I'm doing 1 cup of water, and then a half a cup. So then my bowl, put my seasoning on in there. I'm gonna mix my chipotle seasoning right on in there with it. This is optional. You can use it at the end if you want. It's just good to do it this way, to me. Season, add the seasoning to the water, and then stew it at 300 for 3 to 4 hours. I'm just gonna let the crock pot do that part. And this way it's simpler and easy. I do got a little bit of beef broth. I'm gonna add in about a half a cup. Now, you don't want to forget your onions. Your onions. And I'm gonna let them cook on down in there. Whew. And then we're just gonna pour that right on in. Put my lid on, and that's it. Simple. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the Old El Paso taco kit, we used this a year ago. Birria. Okay. We used this a year ago, and it made some fantastic tacos. And it made it super simple and easy because I looked up how to do it originally. I felt intimidated. And then I use this kit. It's a $4 kit. I'm not sponsored by Old El Paso or anything like that. But this makes some good tacos with this kit. It has everything with the chili sauce. And just get a chuck roast, cook it on down. We're going to cook this on down for about 4 hours until it gets good and tender. We can rip it all apart. And then maybe a little bit longer. Those onions are going to cook down and add some flavor to your meat. Checked out. And you want to make these tacos, start easy and work your way up. If you're intimidated by it, buy this kit, work your way up. It comes with all the seasoning you need and 10 tortillas, plain and simple. So we'll be back in a few hours once it's cooked down, and I'll keep you updated. All right, it's time. Oh, I got my flat top down, and I got my tortillas. Now, my birria is done. Birria is done. So, got my flat iron. Cut it down to about 250. So with this is getting that fat off the top of your liquid. Put some cheese on down. And grab some of that meat. What you're doing is taking shell, dipping it, splashing it, throwing it. All we're going to do is grab a ladle and a bowl. Scoop that on up. Your plate up, and bam. All right, y'all. Birria tacos. Okay, plain, simple, easy. Put them in the crock pot. Let the meat cook. Plain and simple. Meat cooked in the crock pot all day is nice and tender. And then we got our little azul, whatever. We dip it in. That is fantastic. Axel wants to try it, so we're gonna dip it. Take a bite.
Good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Kid approved. Easy, simple. I made some Spanish rice and some corn with some mayonnaise and like the seasoning to make Mexican corn. Don't judge me. But we just dip and we eat. And we say yummy, yummy in our tummies.
Yummy, yummy.
Mm-hmm. So y'all, it's that simple. Don't overthink it. You got your dip, your azul, whatever you want to call it, your consommé. Put a little bit of tallies in there, and it's just that good. You just keep eating it. Y'all, if you like this video, like, comment, share it with a friend, share it with your spouse if you want them to make these tacos for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next